गणेशाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ तत्परं पर्याय विद्महे ज्ञानलिङ्गेश्वराय धीमहि तन्नो गुरुः प्रचोदयात्। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरम् तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्परं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापितं सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वश्रुतिशिरोरत्नं विराजितपादाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्यो यः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चैतन्य शाश्वत शान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनाद कलातीतः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानशक्ति समारूढः तत्त्वमाला विभूषितः मुक्तिप्रदाता च तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्म सम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविनाशिने आत्मज्ञान प्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च ज्ञापनो सारसम्पदः गुरोपादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नागुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं नागुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथः मद्गुरो श्री जगद्गुरुः मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुवादिरनादिश्च गुरो परमदैवतम् गुरो परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणो त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। So we'll start off by chanting the Ganesha Atharvashirsha. Ganesha Atharvashirsha is a chant, an incantation that comes from the Atharva Veda and is a protective chant invoking Lord Ganesha and describes Ganesha as basically the manifestation of everything from creation to sustenance to dissolution, and describes him as being in all the elements and in all the deities and in all the forms of life, in all forms of speech, and then goes on to describe the form of Ganesha as Saguna with the attributes, but at the same time saying you're beyond everything. But though you're beyond everything, I'm trying to describe you. And then gives the most important Maha Mantra, which is the Om Gan Ganapataye Namaha. And then the Ganesha Gayatri, which we'll chant 27 rounds. And in this, there will be the Bijaksharas of Om Shri, Hrim, Klim, Klaum, Ganganapataye. Wherever the Sarvajanamme Vasamanaye Swaha will be a statement made in where we are offering the rice mixed with the ghee, symbolizes our gross manifestation that is being offered through the fire ceremony, the yajna, the homa, the havan, so that we can transform ourselves and through that transformation attain a state of transcendence. This is not destruction, but it is transformation. This is not destruction, but this is transcendence. This is not destruction, but it is understanding that the lower has to give way for the higher to manifest. And as long as we are so full, nothing can manifest. We have to empty ourselves by giving over what is so that what is to be can manifest. गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमस्वस्तवम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पद आनश्वन्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः तुष्टुबाहुं षष्ठनोभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृत्तश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नर्ताक्षो वरिष्ठनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ यन्नत्वा मुनयः सर्वे निर्विघ्नं यान्ति तत्पदम् गणेशोपनिषद्वेद्यं तद्ब्रह्मेभ्यात्मि सर्वगम् ॐ गणपतये नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं कल्पितं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव साक्षात् आत्मासि नित्यं हृदं वाच्मि सत्यं वाच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवनोचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चातात् अवपुरस्तात् अवो उत्तरातात् अवदक्षिणातात् अवचोद्वातात् अवदारातात् सर्वतो माम् पाहि पाहि समां तात् त्वं वाङ्मयत्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयत्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दा अद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं तत्त्वतो जयते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्स्तेषस्तते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेषति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिर् आपो नलो निलो नभः त्वं चत्वारिं वाक्पदीनि त्वं गुणत्रया अतीतः त्वम् अवस्थया अतीतः त्वं देहत्रया अतीतः त्वं कालत्रया अतीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यम् त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वं योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यम् त्वं ब्रह्मास्त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्सुवः गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वर परतः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तावेण हृदम् एतत्त्वमनुस्वरूपम् ककार पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वरश्चांशरूपम् बिन्दुरुत्तरूपम् नादसन्धानम् सहित सन्धिः शेष गणेश विद्या गणक ऋषिः निच्छ्रुत् गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गणपतये नमः ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये भगवद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये भगवद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लौं गणपतये भगवद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये भगवद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये भगवद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये भगवद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये भगवद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये भगवद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये भगवद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये भगवद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयते ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गङ्गणपतये भगवद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा स्वाहा एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणम् अभयं वरदं हस्तं बिभ्राणं मूषिकध्वजम् रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितम् भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यातो प्रकृति पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायेन यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः ॐ नमो भ्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमदपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लम्बोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्नविनाशिने शिवसुताय श्री वरदमूर्तये नमो नमः हरि ॐ As the next part, we will invoke the Mahamrityunjaya mantra. Mahamrityunjaya Trayambakam Yajamahe is a mantra that is said to enable us to overcome the fear of death. As a human being, once you're born, you have to die someday in some way, someplace. You cannot avoid it. You can go to Antarctica and still die. You can go to the Arctic and still die. You can go to the depth of the ocean and still die. You can go out into outer space and still die. It doesn't matter where you are. Doesn't matter who you are. So yes, it's not going to keep you from dying, but it can free you from that survival instinct, abhinivesha klesha, which every moment kills us with fear. The fear of death kills us every moment because we are afraid of dying, we are afraid of loss, we are afraid of destruction, we are afraid that we will not exist, our genetics may not exist, our family may not exist, our property may not exist, our thought process may not exist, our way of thinking, living, eating, sleeping, dying will not exist. And that fear limits us. We become limited by being mortals. And when you can overcome that fear, you can become an immortal because nothing holds you back. Once you don't have fear of death, nothing holds you back because there's nothing to fear more than that. And that is where the Mahamrityunjaya is addressed to Lord Shiva as the Trayambaka, the one who has three eyes, who has that bigger perspective and understands the bigger picture that death is not the end but the beginning of the next journey. Just when the caterpillar thought everything is over, it became the butterfly. But what happens is that from the caterpillar's point of view, yes, everything is done, lost, death. But what happened to the butterfly? The caterpillar had to die for the butterfly to exist. But the caterpillar doesn't know it. So it thinks, oh my God, I'm going to die. Oh my God, I'm going to die. Oh my God, I'm going to die. But it becomes something bigger. It becomes something other. It becomes what it is to be. And that is why that freedom is very important that the Mahamrityunjaya gives us. And it reminds us that just like the creeper fruits and vegetables fall off the creeper when they are ripe, may we also fall off when we are ripe and not before that. So yes, one thing it does work on is untimely premature death, maybe. That why should you die before you are to die? Maybe that is also part of it, right? As you are to ripen and manifest that which you are to manifest. And in this mantra, we have a segment which is the personalization segment. All our mantras can be personalized. And it's personalized by adding your star under which you are born, the constellation, the zodiac, Rashi, and the name. So we would say the person who is having this star, for example, with Ammaji, we talk about the Avita Nakshatra, Makara Rasi. So we say Shravishta Nakshatre, Makara Rasi Sujat, Meenakshi Devi Bhavanani Namadesya. Is how the identity is created for that individual. The star, the zodiac, and the name. This is a combination that most probably is going to make you very unique. Not too many people are going to have the same star, the same zodiac, and the same name. So, when you can have that type of personalization and it's put it within a bracket. The first bracket is Rum Jum Saha. Rum Jum Saha is the first part of the bracket, the opening of the bracket. And the reverse of it, Saha Jum Rum, becomes the closing of the bracket. Rum Jum Saha, opening the bracket, insert the personalization. Saha Jum Rum, close the bracket, complete the personalization. Now here, because there are many people involved and it is for all our yoga family who are around the world, and not just the yoga family, but everybody who's there and everything that breathes, well, let it be at peace. So what I do here is that I say Sarva Nakshatra. Sarva means all. So those belonging to all the stars, Sarva Rasi, all the zodiac, Sarva Nam Desya with all the names. So those having all the stars, all the zodiac, all the names, let all of them be part of this. So instead of a personalization, it becomes a universalization and becomes a very inclusive way to wish that everybody grows in spirit, not just us, but everyone. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Om Jam Saha Sarvanakshatre Sarvarasi Sujate Sarvanam Desya Sahajam Om Urvarukamiva Vandanat Nityor Mokshiyamamritatem Om Swaha Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Om Jum Saha Sarvanakshatre Sarvarashi Sujate Sarvanam Desya Sahajam Om Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Nityor Mokshiyamamritatem Om Swaha Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Om Jum Saha Sarvanakshatre Sarvarasi Sujate Sarvanam Desya Sahajam Om Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Nityor Mokshiyamamritatem Om Swaha Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Om Jum Saha Sarvanakshatre Sarvarasi Sujate Sarvanam Desya Sahajam Om Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Nityor Mokshiyamamritatem Om Swaha Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Om Jum Saha Sarvanakshatre Sarvarasi Sujate Sarvanam Desya Sahajam Om Urvarukamiva Bandhanam Nityor Mokshiyamamritatem Om Swaha Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Om Jum Saha Sarvanakshatre Sarvarasi Sujate Sarvanam Desya Sahajam Om Urvarukamiva Bandhanam Nityor Mokshiyamamritatem Om Swaha Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Om Jum Saha Sarvanakshatre Sarvarasi Sujate Sarvanam Desya Sahajam Om Urvarukamiva Bandhanam Nityor Mokshiyamamritatem Om Swaha Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Om Jum Saha Sarvanakshatre Sarvarasi Sujate Sarvanam Desya सहजं होम उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनामृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृताद्यम् ॐ स्वाहा ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् ॐ शं सः सर्वनक्षत्रे सर्वराशिषु जाते सर्वणां देश्ये सह शुम्भोम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ स्वाहा அதாச்சு சாந்திக்கு சொன்ன அட்டை பண்றது யாருக்காவது வேணுமா கேட்டு போட்டு கொடுக்க சொல்லு. Please join.
Yes, sir. Aishwarya, Diya, Tulin. Yes. Anandeji.
You want to say hi? Ammaji, you want to say hi to everyone? You look so cute. You look like one of those Red Riding Hood. With your someone
So
take
she's
nice-
not the wolf.
Yeah, she's not the wolf for sure, but you never know. With Ammaji, you'll never know. She may be. Are you the wolf? Should get a nice photo of that. She looks so cute today.
Ah.
Did you chant your Om? Will you chant Om for us, please? Oh. That's
Yes, making a magic or chanting owl. It's certainly.
Can we chant again? One more nice long Om. Take in a deep breath. A nice long Om. You want to tell a message to anybody? Some of your people are on. Come close, 1 second. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Blessings
That's him.
for the Kanakananda Guru Puja.
Oh,
Now you have to tell people blessings for Kanakananda Puja. Yeah. Okay. You have to tell them blessings. Okay. So that's your blessing. Okay. Fine. And what should they do? They should be good.
be good
They should be happy.
and happy
And they should be healthy.
and healthy.
Right? All should be good,
Good,
happy,
happy,
and healthy.
and healthy.
Says Ammaji.
Let's run now for one.
I was trying to catch her, but she's too smart for me. Does Kanakananda look good today? Huh? He looks good, right? We will now be chanting a mantra that is for the Navagraha. இல்ல 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 நான் சொன்னது ஜஸ்ட் சொல்லுவேன் ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை சொல்லியாச்சு அங்க சமயமா ஓடிட்டு இருக்கு. The Navagraha, loosely translated as the 9 planets, but they are not the 9 planets because the Navagraha include the sun, the moon, and 2 cyclic entities. So that's 4 which are non-planetary. So it's only 5 planets. And so the only planets that are include the Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn. These are the only 5 planets, which actually are the visible planets. So the 5 visible planets are the ones included. And you have the sun as the center of all of it, which is why in the Indian cultural ethos, we always knew the sun was at the center of everything. We never had confusion that the church had and Galileo had to go to prison for. Galileo would have been a saint in India. He would have been called Rishi Galileo. But poor guy was born in the wrong place at the wrong time and so got jailed for saying the sun is at the center of everything. This culture understood it, and so always the sun was at the center and the Navagrahas are found around it. These Navagrahas can be translated as celestial abodes or celestial houses, but then houses also has a Western astrological meaning that is not really the Navagraha. So you could call them the celestial influencers. They influence you. Because the term graha means to grab. The English word grab comes from graha. In your hand, you grasp. Again, the word grab is graha. And just like gravity, graha, it grabs you, it pulls you. And so these were understood as the influences of the cosmos that have a gravitational pull on us. And due to that pull, influence our life, influence our behavior, influence us. And of course, there's a lot of science behind the astrology, the Jyotish. But there is a beautiful prayer that invokes all of them. Atha Suryaya, Surya is the sun, Somaya, the moon, Mangalaya Buddhayacha. Mangal is your Mars, and Buddha is Mercury. Guru is Jupiter, Shukra is Venus. And then we have the Rahu, Ketu, which are the psychic influences that are related to the orbit of the moon around the earth and the earth around the sun. So as the moon goes around the earth and the earth goes around the sun, there are points on the northern side and southern side where they cross. These are psychic points. They don't have neon signs out there. These are psychic points. And the northern one is called Rahu. The southern one is called Ketu. And these are depicted in our culture. So, Atha Suryaya, Somaya, Mangalaya, Buddhayacha, Guru Shukra, Shanibhyascha, Ragave, Ketave, Namaha is the way that they are invoked. But again, in our culture, it is said that Lord Shiva, when he is in your heart, when Shiva is in your heart, none of these can have any malefic or malevolent or negative impact on you. What is called the Graha Dosha can be nivritti, can be eradicated. So people say, oh, I am under the influence of Saturn, I am under the influence of Mercury, and all this comes. The simple solution given by our southern saint called Jnana Sambandha is, he says, if you think of Shiva, he says that Shiva who was given half of his body, the left side to Parvati. And when you can think of that Shiva, none of these will have any negative influence. Om Veyur Tole Pangan Vidamunda Kandan Veyur Tole Pangan Vidamunda Kandan Miganalla Vinay Tadavi Miganalla Vinay Tadavi Masave Tingal Gangai Mudi Melaninde Masave Tingal Gangai Mudi Melaninde Yen Ulame Pugunda Adana Ulame Pugunda Adana Nyaya Tingal Chevai Buddhan Yaran Belli Nyaya Tingal Chevai Buddhan Yaran Belli Shanipa Berendo Mudane Shanipa Berendo Mudane Nyaya Tingal Selvai Buddhan Vyaran Veli Shani Pamirando Udane ஞாயிறு திங்கள் செவ்வாய் புதன் வியாழன் வெள்ளி சனி பாம்பிரண்டும் உடனே ஆசரு நல்ல நல்ல அவை நல்ல 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 ஆசரு நல்ல நல்ல அவை நல்ல 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 அடியாரவர்க்கும் இகவே அடியாரவர்க்கும் இகவே திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். ஓம் நம சூர்யாய சோமாய மங்களாய புதாய ச குரு சுக்ர சனிभ्यश्च ராகவே கேதவே நமः. ஓம் ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் நம சூர்யாய சோமாய மங்களாய புதாய ச குரு சுக்ர சனிभ्यश्च ராகவே கேதவே நமः. ஓம் ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் நம சூர்யாய சோமாய மங்களாய புதாய ச குரு சுக்ர சனிभ्यश्च ராகவே கேதவே நமः. ஓம் ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் நம சூர்யாய சோமாய மங்களாய புதாய ச குரு சுக்ர சனிभ्यश्च ராகவே கேதவே நமः. ஓம் ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் நம சூர்யாய சோமாய மங்களாய புதாய ச குரு சுக்ர சனிभ्यश्च ராகவே கேதவே நமः. ஓம் ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் நம சூர்யாய சோமாய மங்களாய புதாய ச குரு சுக்ர சனிभ्यश्च ராகவே கேதவே நமः. ஓம் ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் மத சூர்யாய சோமாய மங்களாய புதாய ச குரு சுக்ர சனிभ्यश्च ராகவே கேதவே நமः. ஓம் ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் நம சூர்யாய சோமாய மங்களாய புதாய ச குரு சுக்ர சனிभ्यश्च ராகவே கேதவே நமः. ஓம் ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஆனந்த குருநாத ரமண
Ananda
ஆனந்த குருநாத ஆனந்த குருநாத ரமண
ஆனந்த குருநாத ரமண
ஆனந்த குருநாத
ஆனந்த குருநாத
கனகானந்த குருநாத ரமண
Kanakananda Gurunatha Ramana
ஆனந்த குருநாத
Ananda Gurunatha
கனகானந்த குருநாத ரமண
Kanakananda Gurunatha Ramana
ஆனந்த குருநாத
Ananda Gurunatha
விதேஷானந்த குருநாத ரமண
Vividishananda Gurunatha Ramana
Ananda Gurunatha
Ananda Gurunatha
Deshananda Gurunatha Ramana
Vibhideshananda Gurunatha Ramana
Ananda Gurunatha
Ananda Gurunatha
Purnananda Gurunatha Ramana
Purnananda Gurunatha Ramana
Ananda Gurunatha
Ananda Gurunatha
Ananda Gurunatha Ramana
Purnananda
Gurunatha Ramana.
Ananda Gurunatha
Ananda Gurunatha
Nitananda Gurunatha Ramana
Nitananda Gurunatha Ramana.
Ananda Gurunatha
Ananda Gurunatha
Ananda Gurunatha Ramana
Gitananda Gurunatha Ramana
Ananda Gurunatha
Ananda Gurunatha
Gurunatha Ramana
Ananda Gurunatha Ramana
Ananda Gurunatha
Ananda Gurunatha
Gurunatha Ramana
Ananda Gurunatha Ramana
Ananda Gurunatha
Ananda Gurunatha Oh
Now we're chanting the Purusha Sukram. And the Purusha Sukram is again our Vedic literature. Describes the manifestation of the whole universe out of the Purusha, the pure consciousness, and in that manifestation, how all the seasons are formed, all the people are formed, all the animals are formed. It's a very beautiful description. But more than anything, talks about it talks about the whole creation being a yajna. The word yajna means that which is offered so that the greater can manifest. Now, in English, they have this great this in translating this term because yajna gets translated as sacrifice. So, the moment you say it is a sacrifice, people whose brains are no bigger than Bukash think that you have to kill something. So they say, oh, they were killing something and offering it because their brains are like Bukash's pea brain. It's a pea brain. He thinks he's the guru of the ashram. Yesterday he was doing the Hatha Yoga class. You know, Ma, Bukash was leading the class. Huh? Imagine what has happened to the ashram. A lot of yoga to yoga. Dog yoga. Yoga.
வேற யாரையோ சொல்றாங்க. நான் இல்ல அங்க அவரு சொல்றாரு. நான் இல்ல.
You know, the problem is they translated yajna as sacrifice and they said, oh, Indians were doing sacrifices, which means they were killing things and throwing it into the fire. It was never that. What was being sacrificed is the animal nature, not animals. And people misunderstood the whole thing, and because they came with vested interests, I always remember a very beautiful statement attributed to Desmond Tutu, but I don't know whether he said it, but it's often attributed to him. Where he said, when the Europeans came to Africa, we had land, they had the book. And soon we had the book and they had the land. That's the story of Africa. Same story around the planet in different ways, that's all. And so this term sacrifice got misinterpreted. Yajna means to offer the lower as a means of transmutation, transformation, transcendence. So the yajna, the offering, where the whole creation of the cosmos was a yajna, where the Purusha, which is pure consciousness, offered itself. And that final verse, which is where we end today's homework, where we say, Yajnena yajna, mayajanta deva, tani dharmani pradhamanyasam, dehanaham pratimana yachante, yatra purve satya santi deva. All the devas together have offered, the Purusha is offered, and creation manifests. The pure consciousness has offered itself so that the manifest can occur. What a beautiful concept, and gets negated when you say just the word sacrifice. Because sacrifice is so limited. It is an offering. It is a transformation. Very beautiful scripture that over the past many years I've enjoyed sharing with so many students and continue to do it. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಫೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ सहस्रे शीर्ष पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपाद सबूमिं विश्वतो भूत्वा अत्यतिष्ठत् दशाङ्गुलम् पुरुष एवेदगुं सर्वम् यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् उदाम तत्स्वस्येषाणः यदन्नेनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अतो जायगुंश्चत्पुरुषः पादोऽस्य विश्वा भूतानि त्रिपादस्य अमृतं दिवि त्रिपादूर्ध्व उदयित्पुरुषः पादोऽस्येह भवात् पुनः ततो विश्वं व्यक्रामत् शासनानशनि अभि तस्माद् विराड जायत विराजो अधिपुरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्यत पश्चात् भूमिर्मदो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवा यज्ञमतन्वत वसन्तो अस्य सीताजम् ग्रीष्मयिद्म शरद्दविः सप्तास्यासन् परिदयः त्रिसप्त समिद कृताः देवा यज्ञं तद्बाणाः अवत्नं पुरुषं पशुं तं यज्ञं बर्हिषि प्रोक्षन् पुरुषं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा अयजन्त साढ्या ऋषयश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संवृतं दृशताज्यम् पशुगुंस्तागुंसघ्रे वायव्यान् आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः रुचः सामानि जज्ञिरे चन्दागुंसि जज्ञिरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मादजायत तस्मादश्वा अजायत एके चोभयया ददः गावोह जज्ञिरे तस्मात् जाता अजावयः यत्पुरुषं व्यददुः कथिता व्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमस्य कौ बाहुः कावोरुपादावुच्येते ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यकृतः ऊरु तदस्य वद्वेष्यः पद्भ्यागुं शूद्रो अजायत चन्द्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षो सूर्यो अजायत मुखादिन्द्रश्च अग्निश्च प्राणाद् वायुरजायत नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम् शेष्णौध्यौ समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशः श्रोत्रात् तदा लोकागुम् अकल्पयन् वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचिद्य देवः नामानि कृत्वा अभिवदन् यदास्ते धाता पुरस्ताद् यमुदा जहार चक्रप्रविद्वान् स्वदिशश्च तस्वः तमेवं विद्वान् अमृत इह भवति नान्यः पन्था अयनाय विद्यते ॐ यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवाः तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् ते हनादं महिमानस्तचन्ते यत्र पूर्वे साड्या सन्ति देवाः ॐ
तत्परम्पर्याय विद्महे ज्ञानलिङ्गेश्वराय धीमहि तन्नो गुरुः प्रचोदयात् ॐ राजाधिराजाय विद्यकानिवे नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे तमेकामां कामकामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय श्री कनकानंद भृगु गुरुमहाराजाय नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरे ओम
गुरु ओम आनंद गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु ओम आनंद गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु ओम आनंद गुरु
आनंद गुरु गणगानंद गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु गणगानंद गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु ओम आनंद गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु ओम कमल स्वामी गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु ओम कंबली स्वामी गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु ओम कमल स्वामी गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु ओम कंबली स्वामी गुरु
आनंद गुरु गणगानंद गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु गणगानंद गुरु ओम
आनंद गुरु
कनकानंद गुरु ओम
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் ஆனந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் ஆனந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு கணகானந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் ஆனந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் கீதானந்த 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 குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு அம்மாஜி குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் மாஜி குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் அம்மாஜி குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு
மாஜி குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் ஆனந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் ஆனந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு கணகானந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு கணக்கானந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் ஆனந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் ஆனந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு கீதானந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு கீதானந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் கந்தசுவாமி குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் கபிஸ்வாமி குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு கீதானந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் ஆனந்த குரு ஓம்
ஆனந்த குரு ஓம் ஆனந்த குரு ஓம்
குரு ஓம் குரு ஓம் குரு ஓம் Om. Can take the flower, keep it in your hand, and then at the end of the chanting, you can come that side and putting it on Swami Kanakananda. Take the blessing. The yellow set. So when you come, you just come that side without touching the lip. Om Yopam Pushpam Veda Pushpavan Gajavan Pasumam Bhavati Chandramapa Apam Pushpam Pushpavan Gajavan Pasumam Bhavati Ya Evam Veda Yopam Ayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavati Agnilva Apam Ayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavati Yo Agnirayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavati आपो वै अग्ने आयतनम आयतनवान भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान भवति वायुर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान भवति यो वायोरायतनं वेद आयतनवान भवति आपो वै वायोरायतनम् आयतनवान भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान भवति असर्वै तपन्नपायतनम् आयतनवान भवति यो मुष्य तपत्त आयतनं वेद आयतनवान भवति आपो वा अमुष्य तपत आयतनम् आयतनवान भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान भवति चन्द्रमा वामपामायतनम् आयतनवान भवति यश्चन्द्रमस आयतनं वेद आयतनवान भवति आपो वै चन्द्रमस आयतनम् आयतनवान भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान भवति नक्षत्राणि वामपामायतनम् आयतनवान भवति यो नक्षत्राणमायतनं वेद आयतनवान भवति आपो वै नक्षत्राणमा आयतनम् आयतनवान भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान भवति पर्जन्योपा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान भवति यः पर्जन्यस आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै पर्जन्य सायायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति संवत्सरो वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यत् संवत्सरस्य अतानं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै संवत्सर आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योत्सुभावं प्रतिष्ठितं वेद तत्येव प्रतिष्ठति ओम राजाधिराजाय प्रसन्न सानिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामां कामकामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय श्री कनकानंद भृगु गुरु महाराजाय नमः ओम and come and offer your flowers. Yeah, I'm not really cool, right? I did this guy. I don't know where this is. It's part of the other part of the chest. You know, you say you like that. Where does it show?
जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय ऋषि गुरु ओंकारा ओम ओम जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय ऋषि गुरु ओंकारा ओम ओम गीतानंदा सद्गुरुवे
गीतानंदा सद्गुरुवे सच्चिदानंद गिरि ओम शरणं
सच्चिदानंदा गिरि ओम शरणं जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय ऋषि गुरु ओंकारा ओम ओम जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय ऋषि गुरु ओंकारा ओम ओम गणकानंद सद्गुरुवे
गणकानंदा सद्गुरुवे
सच्चिदानंदा गिरि ओम शरणं सच्चिदानंदा गिरि ओम शरणं जय गुरु
ओंकारा जय जय ऋषि गुरु ओंकारा ओम ओम
जय
गुरु ओंकारा जय जय ऋषि गुरु ओंकारा ओम ओम
विविधिशानंदा सद्गुरुवे
विविदिशानंदा सद्गुरुवे सच्चिदानंदा गिरि ओम शरणं सच्चिदानंदा गिरि ओम शरणं गुरु ओंकारा जय जय ऋषि गुरु ओंकारा ओम ओम
जय गुरु
ओंकारा जय जय ऋषि गुरु ओंकारा
ओम ओम पूर्णानंदा सद्गुरुवे
पूर्णानंदा सद्गुरुवे सच्चिदानंदा गिरि ओम शरणं सच्चिदानंदा गिरि ओम शरणं
जय गुरु
ओंकारा जय जय ऋषि गुरु ओंकारा ओम समस्त सुखिनो भवन्तु सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांतिः 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 ओम
Certificate கொடுத்தோம். ஆமா, இதெல்லாம் கொடுத்தாங்க. எல்லாம் நீங்க தான் போட்டோ எடுக்கணும். நீங்க வேணா இந்த பக்கம் நோக்கேஷன் எல்லாம் கால் படம் கைப்படம். So today is a very auspicious day and you have all participated in the important tapasya, which is a sadhana, the Pranava sadhana last night, and a very successful outcome that was made. இதெல்லாம் இருக்கு சார், ஆஃபர்ட் ஐட்டம்ஸ் எல்லாம் மண்ணு படம் இதா படம். இல்ல இல்ல அது அப்படி நவுத்தி வச்சுட்டா அப்ப வந்து காய் கால் பட்டப்ப எல்லாம் பாபு பண்ணது பெருசா இருக்கும். யூஸ்வலா நம்ம பண்ண மாட்டோம், இன்னைக்கு அவங்க முடிக்கிறாங்க அதனால அவங்களுக்கு சட்டையா இருக்கும். So we felt that today would be the apt opportunity for Ammaji to also give you all your certificates of completing the time here. And so I request Ammaji to give away the certificates. But before that, we have a very nice surprise for Ammaji. She doesn't know about this. Did you see this photo? Does this look good? Listen to it. And this is the day Kalavati brought on hibiscus and Hamsa brought on hibiscus. And you put both in your ear. And then that photo Kalavati sent to me, I put it into my intelligence. I think you took it, somebody took it like this. You took it.
Yeah.
And then I put it into the intelligence ChatGPT and it is giving me this. It is just such a beautiful image of Ammaji that I just felt this is so special, right? We'll frame and keep a copy, right? This is going to be the frame copy. So,
AI does wonderful things. AI does wonderful things.
so we start off with Kalavati. And request Ammaji to give Kalavati the certificate, okay? And we also give her one more Rudraksha for her collection. A nice bell. These bells that remind you of the bells of the ashram. And something to go back and hang in your studio also. Very good for her.
Yeah. Ready? ABCD. Oh,
Sandra. Yes, next on the list.
just got down after she the blessing.
That's what you're looking for.
Yeah.
For you. And the list can Sandra got a certificate and the director to go with it. And the bell so you can keep reminding whenever you feel ashram sick. To watch ring the bell to remind you. That's what you did there, no?
நமஸ்தே அம்மா, வணக்கம்.
Alexandra is next.
Can you share this like a certificate? Can we?
So that you don't forget bells.
D, A, B, C, D.
Title is Well, and can you look there, ma?
One.
A, B, C, D. Come on.
You get the bell.
Next is Hamsa and very together. Yeah. And so Hamsa gets first certificate for Raksha. If you got one good first one, then maybe the first one you get.
Ready?
Okay, ma, they're looking there.
Vanakkam, Amma. Good morning.
Last but not least, Alice. Well, remind you.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yes.
And we also have a copy of the photo for Kannugam. So, this is taken on Sunday. So,
Sarah, please.
Mister? Yes. Ah, okay. You put it. அம்மாவை இப்படி திருப்பிட்டு அம்மாவை இப்படி திருப்பி
Ew.
ஆமா
இந்த பெஞ்ச் வச்சிடலாமா? கேட்டி கேட்டி maybe we'll move the bench little bit back. Sandra, more back. அம்மா கால் பாப்பீங்களா? செடி செடிதான் நெட்டி நெட்டி போடுவோம். இங்க இருக்கேன்
மண்ணா வாங்க வாங்க வாங்க